Hello, pupils! Сәлеметсіздер ме оқушылар? How are you today? Қалдарыңыз қалай? Today you start our lesson. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. English lesson, Unit 5, Health and Body. The title of the lesson, Our Body. You will learn to name the parts of the body and identify specific information and details. Now, let's watch the video Our Body.
My body parts. Hey kids, let's take a little time. Today we will learn about few body parts. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, hand.
What did you see? What did you see? Yes, very well. You can see head, hair, eyes, teeth. Yes? Дұрыс айтасыңдар, балалар. Біз бейне көрсетілімде дене мүшелерін көрген едік, иә? Енді дене мүшелерінің ағылшынша атауларымен танысайық. Please repeat after me. Менен кейін қайталаймыз. Head, 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 бас. Hair, 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 шаш. Eyes, 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 көздер. Teeth, 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 тістер. Ear, ear, құлақ. Mouth, 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 ауыз. Hands, 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 қолдар. Nose, 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 мұрын. Very nice. The next task, draw a line from each word to the correct part of the body. For example, nose, nose, nose. In Kazakh form, мұрын. Yes? Let's do the task. Yes, you are right. Please check them. The next task, guess the body part, right and read. Eyes, yes, it's correct. The next, hand, it's correct job. The next, hair, yes, very well. Next, mouth, yes, very nice. It's correct. Ears, yes, very well. The next, nose, nose, it's very nice. The next, head, yes, very well. The next pictures, teeth, yes, it's correct job. Now, pupils, look at the picture. What is it? Yes, it is eyes. Yes. Next. What is it? It is hand. Yes, very well. Next pictures, what is it? Yes, it is teas. Yes, it's correct. Next pictures, what is it? Yes, it is hat. Very good. Next pictures, what is it? It is hair. No, it is nose. What is it? It is hair. Yes, it's correct. Next pictures. What is it? It is mouse. Mouse. What is it? What is it? It is hair. No, it is ear. Yes, it's correct. Great jobs. Your homework for the next lesson, vocabulary. Үйге тапсырма, бүгінгі өткен жаңа сөздерді жаттау. So, the lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Stay at home and study.